people of Maulai, along with other social organizations, with one voice, Kasur Kinau Maulai today demanded the stripping off of the Home Department from Sri Lakman Rambui for his utter failure to tackle the militancy issue appropriately in the state that has led the killing of the surrendered HNLC General Secretary Sri Cheristafil Thankiu in the wee hours of the 13th July 2021 by the state police. The people of Maulai have also demanded the government of Meghalaya to constitute an independent inquiry to probe into the killing of late Thankiu. They have sought clarification from the police department regarding the two persons that they have arrested, terming them as Thankiu's close comrades. As a mark of protest, the people of Maulai have decided to observe tomorrow the 15th of August as Black Flag Day. They have called for residents in the entire Maulai area to switch off their lights and maintain blackout from 7 p.m. to 7:05 p.m. on 14th August 2021 as a mark of protest to the government and respect for the late Sri Cheristafil Thankiu.
Good morning. We have gathered together as one known as the voice of the people of Maulai here regarding the illegal raid and also the murder of the police department towards Cheristafil Thankiu, who is a former General Secretary of HNLC. From our side, as the voice of Maulai, tomorrow, which will be the funeral day of Cheristafil Thankiu, we have decided to have a Black Flag Day to protest against the illegal actions of the government under the police department, and also protesting placards will be carried out tomorrow. And we have also discussed and demand from the Chief Minister to conduct an independent inquiry regarding this matter, this case, so that justice will be served to the family of Cheristafil Thankiu. And also we demand immediate stepping down of the Honorable Home Minister Sri Lakman Rambui. His inability, his underperformance has caused this catastrophic failure and has caused the life of one person who is not only a figure of the Maulai people but also a public figure for the youth and the state as a whole. So another discussion we had is regarding the police department, that they have disrespect the local authorities, which includes the local headman. They have approached the residents of Cheristafil Thankiu without without the consent and informing the local headman, and this has caused the life of Cheristafil Thankiu. Had the approach been in a very professional way, I think the life of Cheristafil Thankiu would have been safe. But then, because there has been some under the table talking and discussion to eliminate, because the government and the home police department, they want to eliminate Cheristafil Thankiu on the spot. That is why they have neglected and ignored the authorities of the local headman and the Dorbarshno. The question we had today is regarding the press statement which was released by GK Yang Rai, who is the Assistant Inspector General of Police, Meghalaya Police of Government of Meghalaya. Yesterday he has clubbed two sons of Cheristafil Thankiu as the associates of Cheristafil Thankiu, and they have beaten them from black and blue. They have severe injuries in their body. We demand from the Assistant IGP to give a clear statement as to whom these two associates he is mentioning, whether it is the sons of Cheristafil Thankiu or other people. Please give a clarity and a clear statement so that we, as the people of Maulai and also the whole of the state, will know who are these people who are directly associated with Cheristafil Thankiu. And another thing is, we invite and request the people of Maulai and also the people of the state, as Cheristafil Thankiu is a public figure in the state as a whole, we request them to honor him tomorrow, pay his respects by joining us tomorrow as a Black Flag Day, and also today evening we request all the people of Maulai at 7 p.m. to kindly switch off their lights at their homes in as a respect to the illegal actions taken by the police department to protest these illegal actions, and also as a respect to Pak Chesterfield. Thank you for the contribution he has made to the society and to the state as a whole. Thank you.